Are you an ethnic minority? Do you feel left out because of your ethnicity? Unconfident because English is not your first language and worried about your accent? Are you fed up of the 9-to-5 routine? Are you tired of kissing asses and playing work politics? Do you want to be financially free and spend more time with your family? Do things the time and place you desire? If you are not alone. I was in the exact place you were a few years ago. I would like to share with you the exact step I took to get me out of that horrible position to financial freedom. I would like to share with you the most recent property strategies that will make the most positive impact and lead you to financial freedom. I will teach you how to discover your superpower, your unique ability, mindset, the clarity tool that will take you from where you were to where you want to go in life. It doesn't matter what stage you are in your property journey. This event will change your life and take you to the next level. Listen, not any of this matter to you, but I want you to know why you should come and enroll in my free course. I was poor. I finished university with £30,000 debt. Lived in a shared house with my wife and son. In a job I hated, working long hours and going nowhere. I quit. I started my property business from nothing to building one of the largest and most successful rent-to-rent and rent-to-service accommodation in Cardiff. I own and run a successful estate agency that acquires and manages over 100 properties within 5 years. So what are the benefits of enrolling in this course? You will be able to identify where you are and have a roadmap that will take you where you want to go in life. You will know the exact strategy I use to alleviate me to financial freedom. You will be able to search and secure great deals on the day. You will network with like-minded individuals. You will be part of a community that helps each other grow. You don't feel alone. And a chance to ask me any question, personal, business related. You don't want to miss this opportunity. Click on the link below now to join me in my first ever property event series. I really look forward to seeing you. Thank you.